Now we'll discuss the example number 12. Here the point A is given, then point B and point C. Similar to a previous example, we have to solve it. So here it is A is -1 comma -6, B is 2 comma -5, and C is 7 comma 2 it is, and we have a formula. So fourth vertex is given by the formula D equal to A minus B plus C. So substitute the coordinates, perform the subtraction, addition, we get point as 4 comma 1. Therefore clearly option D is a right answer. Option D is a right answer. So we'll do a next example. The vertices of a triangle are 0 comma 0, 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. Its orthocenter at, okay, so it is a right angle triangle, and orthocenter it must be towards the origin only. Therefore option A is a right answer. So it verifies. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So orthocenter is origin 0 comma 0. Now we'll do a 14th example. So the points, the question is the points 3 comma 2 minus 3 comma 2 0 comma h are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. If the h is greater than 0, then the value of a h is, okay, the value of a h we have to calculate. So here, so the first point we take it as x1 y1, and this will be our second point. It is taken as x2 y2, and this is a point, third point, it is taken as x3 y3. Then we have a formula, so using that we have to simplify it. The formula is x1 plus x2, it is plus or minus root of a 3 y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2 whole divided by, it is a 2. Next one more, y1 plus y2, it is minus or plus under the square root of root 3, it is x1 minus x2. So whole divided by, it is a 2. So already we know x1, x2, y1, y2, and we have to substitute in this formula. We get this as, so it is 0 plus or minus 0 by 2, 4 minus or plus, we get 6 root 3 divided by 2. If we simplify this for a h value, so h 2, we get plus or minus 3 root 3. Here it is given that the h is greater than 0 here, so we get h, we get it as 2 minus 3 root 3 is a answer. So 2 minus 3 root 3 is a correct option. So clearly option C is a right answer. Option C is a right answer. Okay, so we'll do a next example. The question is the area of a quadrilateral formed by the points. So 4 points are given. Those are serial wise, we have to take it as x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 like that. So we'll come across here x1 y1 is 2 minus 1, x2 y2 is 4 comma 3, then x3 y3 is minus 1 comma 2, x4 y4 is minus 3 comma minus 2. Then area of a triangle delta equal to 1 by 2, the mod of x1 minus x3, x2 minus x4, y1 minus y3, just we have to change x2 y. So we get y2 minus y4. So substitute the values. 1 by 2 we get 3, 7, minus 3 and 5. So now we have to expand this and we have to divide it by 2. We get answer as a 18. Therefore clearly option C is a right answer. Option C is a right answer. So like this we have to simplify it. Okay, now we'll move to our next example. So the point A is minus 2 comma 2. First point we take it as a minus 2 comma 2. Second point is B, it is 1 comma 0. Third point we take it as a C, x comma 0. Fourth point it is a D, 1 comma y it is. They will form a parallelogram. Then we should find the area of, we should find x and y. So clearly, so fourth coordinate finding of formula D equal to A minus B plus C formula we have to use it. D is 1 comma y and minus 2 minus 1 plus x. Next 2 minus 0 plus 0 it is. So if we simplify this one, so we get x value as 4 here and a y value we get it as a 2. Therefore clearly option D 4 comma 2 is a right answer. Like this we have to simplify it. Yes. Now next one, the midpoints of BC, CA and AB of a triangle ABC is given by DEF. Then point A we have to calculate. So point A, using a fourth point formula, A equal to F minus D plus E formula we have to use it. Earlier formula only I am using. So substitute the values. So we get 6 minus 1 plus 4 and next 4 minus 2 plus 3 and substitute the values and simplify. We get 9 comma 5. Therefore option D is a right answer. Option D is a right answer. So this is a procedure. Like this we have to find a solution for a given example. So last class we have discussed the synopsis. Today in this session, so using those formula we have simplified the example here. So next classes a few more examples we'll discuss it. So refer a formula, using that we have to simplify using a simpleton. Thank you for watching once again. Thank you very much.